Hey, what's going on guys? It's Van here. In this video, I'm gonna talk about how to get started with affiliate marketing without a website, okay? So I will teach you step by step how to drive traffic, how to pick an offer. So when you first step is to sign up with the affiliate network because you need to find your offer, right? So on this example, I will use ClickBank for example because a lot of the category, a lot of the niche you can choose. Okay, what I recommend is you choose a niche which based on your passion. Okay, because later on we need to creating our content, our essence for drive free traffic. Okay, so for this example, I use cooking for a niche. Okay, so how to pick a proper offer, how to pick a high converting offer, which is sort by gravity. Okay, what is gravity? That means on the last 30 days, how many affiliate getting success, getting sales with promoting this offer. Okay, so the gravity, the more number of the gravity, that means the product is converting, the the offer is converting really, really well. Okay, but this is just the first step to pick your offer. The second step is you need to make sure the offer is high quality. Okay, now why? Because quality is not related with quantity. Okay, when you promote something is crap online, people will write the review about you, call you is a scam. Okay, now you need to be really careful on the internet. So we need to promote something that we believe, okay, actually really help people. So how do you know the offer is high quality or not? Which is pretty simple. Just copy the offer name and go to Google and look about the reviews. Okay, spend little time and watch those articles, or you can search on YouTube, watch those videos, so you would analyze the offer is good or not, is high quality or not. Okay, so after we pick your offer, next step is drive traffic. Okay, so we need to drive traffic for free. Okay, because when you, I assume you don't want to create a website because you don't have money, right? If you don't have money, what I recommend is free traffic. The most powerful free traffic, which is YouTube. Okay. Now YouTube is the search engine, like Google is the second biggest search engine. So what we leverage is the search function, right? Now, for example, this offer keto resources. That means our topic is keto diet. So we type keto diet. Now we would leverage the auto completion of the search bar. Okay. Just here is the trick. You can type the underscore. So it will have a lot of the recommendation, the auto complete. This is based on people's search for the suggestion for you. So we may choose keto plan for weight loss. Okay, you can keep go on and type spacebar, and you will see some sort of the suggestion. Now you can see some sort of the suggestion, so you can keep search. Maybe for vegetarians, keto diet plan for weight loss for vegetarians. So you can create a videos based on this. Okay. Second trick is based on the search result. Use the number one search results. Copy their titles and their video tags. Okay, this is the tags. Okay, you can put on your videos. Use the same tag, same title, and same tags. Okay, what's the purpose of this is when people watch this video, you can see right hand side, there's a lot of the suggested videos, okay? It is based on the video title and the video text, okay? If your video title and the video text is same with this video, your video have higher chance will explode on the suggested videos, okay? That's how people find your video. Because let's face it, when you're just getting started of your YouTube channel, it's hard to explode, okay? It takes a lot of time. So this is the trick to help you to explode on the YouTube search results. That's how you drive traffic. That's how you getting started with affiliate marketing with our website, okay? But here's the thing. This is not a good practice, okay? Once you make some sort of money, I recommend you build your funnel. And what's the meaning of the funnel is to capture someone's email address when they click on your link. Because when people click on your affiliate link, 99% people will not buy when they first time see your affiliate link, okay? So we need to capture their email address and use something called autoresponder so we can email follow up with those people, okay? So the concept is like this. Now, I mentioned before this method is called direct linking. That means drive traffic directly to the sales page. But if you want to build a serious, long-term, real business, what you need to do is capture their email address so we can email follow up with your people. So those people maybe have, so you may have get couple amount of the sales, okay? That's how you can make a lot of the money. If you do direct linking, number one, you lose your traffic. Number two, you are not building a business. Number three, if there is some problem of your YouTube page or YouTube channel, your YouTube channel getting shut down, your business is gone, okay? When you capture your email list, this is your own traffic, okay? You can follow up with them forever unless they are unsubscribed, right? So this is how you build a long-term and successful affiliate marketing business. You need to build your email list, okay? So if you want to learn more about how to build a long-term and profitable online business by affiliate marketing, you can click the link in the description. I will send you the information. And if you find this video helpful, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe my channel, which this little help action will help my channel grow. I will appreciate. So let me know what's your thought, what's your takeaway, what's your question, and I will reply your question. And I see you in the next video.